Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to episode 4. Now if this video gets to 4 likes, I will upload the next episode. Alright, so there's the teams there, as you can see. We've got some New South Wales in a 4-dayer. We won the toss and chose to bowl first. That's interesting. Alright, so there's us coming into bat. Average of 87, so that's a devil's number, but... Right, so hopefully we can make more runs than what we've been doing lately. So Pat Cummins comes into bowl. And we get a dot for our first ball. Alright, Stark bowling at the other end. We've hit him down, there's no one there. Should pick up 2. There we do.
2 more runs.
Alright, so there's only one person on the leg side. We smack him through there. A nice pull shot. That's gone for 4. Good stuff from us. Look at that. Boof.
The batsman was beaten all ends up there as it
Should I try? I think I should try cut shot. I know it's really risky in this game. Cut shots are, but... Oh, back foot cover, like, back foot square drive, I guess. Just gone past the fielder there. Jeez, that's fast. 150 Ks. Oh no. You serious? He got out again. Oh. This is not good. Right, so we're in again after our shocking few performances. Massive form slump, to say the least. Yeah, so we'll take a look at what happened, or what we need. We need 470 runs in one day. Okay, so we're gonna have to do what we did in the very first episode if we want to win, unless someone else can go berserk and score a double 100. But yeah, hopefully we can score some runs this innings, unlike the past few. Alright. Exwood bowling here. Smack him through mid on. Should get a 4. Come on. Oh, how much did I run? I only ran 3. I could have ran 4 if I actually focused on running it.
3 more to the score.
Right, so Hazelwood's still bowling. Hit him through. Same region again. Hopefully this one will go for 4. Nope. I'll just get a 3 again. Might have been able to just get 4, but too risky.
An additional 3 runs on the board.
That's a Stark's bowling now to us, and everyone's up on the leg side. We've hit him over the top. I think I should not do this early on, it's a bit too risky. Yeah, I think if we want to score a big, we'll play big innings, then we need to do more stuff like that, hitting along the ground. Direct hit.
And 2 runs
Shit.
to the scoreboard.
No, you serious?
There's an appeal for this.
We're out again. This is too intense. Stark, he's got to score blind. That is some, some nasty stuff right there. Yeah, so there we have it. There's the edge. Right, so hopefully we can just draw this game. Come on, hold out. Another 30 minutes. Yes. At least we didn't lose. That's a good thing.
Pleased with this victory and the way their players stood up. Well, I trust you enjoyed the coverage.
End of the match, Steve Smith.
David and myself.
The match is drawn.
Goodbye for now.
Alright, so we're going to be taking on the Tasmanian Tigers now. So hopefully we can do good there. Alright, so this is their team, as you can see on the left there, and then our team on the right.
Hello, great to be with you and David.
And we won the toss and batted first. So we've never scored a run in 50-50s. One innings, no runs, no 50s, no hundreds, no nothing. Right, so Jackson Bird's bowling the first over here. I think we might just block it for a change. And we do. Let's try and hit it through the wicket. And we do. We get some runs there. We'll come back for 3. And we make it easy. Try and hit through the covers. And we do. What a shot. Straight through the gap of extra cover. That's 4. That's the form we're in. Before these last few episodes. Or in episode 1 and 2. Is that 4? No, I won't go for 4.
And a couple more runs.
Oh no. Oof. Just make it.
And he takes the single.
That's a finesse again. No, are you serious?
Oh, and they like that one.
Well, that's the end of this episode. We're in a really bad set of form. We won't review it. There's no way that that's yawn. Come on. We can win this.
That's
Ooh,
the
geez,
end of this
that's
match. The
close.
Tigers will be very pleased with this victory. And the
Did we
way
win?
the players stood
No,
up.
we ended up losing with like 2 balls left, or 4 balls left, or something.
Right down to the wire.
Yeah,
Very
the 2 balls left.
Thanks, David,
We ended up
and thanks to
losing.
those at home for tuning in.
Unlucky stuff
Bye
there
for
from
now.
us. Alright, so not doing the best so far. First episode was bloody awesome. We got 190 something, but yeah, anyways, if you liked the video, please leave a like so I can upload the next video. And hopefully in the next video we end up like getting a lot of runs, not failing. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please leave a like if you did enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Okay, same field as last time. Hopefully I don't get out the same way. And we first ball we face, we smash it. Pretty much a replay of what happened.